Hello children, refraction of light is going on and this is my second video. In first video, I explained what is refraction and difference between reflection and refraction. Today's video, I will explain laws of refraction of light. So let's start. There are two laws. First laws, it is similar to the laws of reflection of light. So what is the first laws? The incident ray, the refracted ray and the normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. Very clear? So don't need to describe it again. Now the second law. This is new for you. The ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is constant for a given pair of media. Means suppose angle of incidence we are taking I, and for angle of refraction we are taking R. So sine of angle of incidence by sine of angle of refraction will be equal to constant, and this constant is known as refractive index. So this thing you can write like this: sine I upon sine R barabar constant, and this constant is called refractive index. The refractive index is usually denoted by the letter N. Some books it is mu also. So doesn't matter which letter is given. Main important thing is sine I upon sine R equal to constant. The second law of refraction is also known as Snell's law of refraction. Okay. Now we will solve some numericals, that it becomes more clear. Your question is: light enters from air into a glass plate having refractive index 1.50. What is the speed of light in glass? Means when the light goes air to glass plate, that time in refractive index is 1.50. So what is the speed of light in glass? ग्लास में स्पीड की लाइट क्या होगी? तो यू नो बाय द फॉर्मूला रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ ग्लास क्या होगा? स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन एयर बाय स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन ग्लास, as this is the formula which I explained in video 1. So refractive index of glass is given 1.50 and speed of light in air, that is 3 into 10 raised to 8. It is understood. So we put the value in this formula: 1.50 equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 upon speed of the light in glass. Now speed of the light in glass equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 upon 1.50, and finally your answer will be 2 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. So this is your answer. Okay. The refractive index depends on the nature of the material of the medium and on the wavelength of the light used. Refractive index for light going from medium 1 to medium 2 is equal to the reciprocal of the refractive index for light going from medium 2 to medium 1. This is very important. This statement try to understand so that in next numericals you are able to solve it. Again I repeat it. What is this? Refractive index for light going from medium 1 to 2 medium means जब लाइट एक मीडियम से फर्स्ट मीडियम से सेकेंड मीडियम में जा रहा है is equal to the reciprocal of the refractive index for light going from medium 2 to medium 1. वो reciprocal हो जाएगा medium 2 से medium 1 के. If you have a doubt, so we will solve this numerical, then I think it becomes more clear to everyone. Your question is: if the refractive index of water for light going from air to water be 1.33. So light कहाँ जा रही है? ये कहाँ पे जा रही है? लाइट जा रही है हमारी एयर से वाटर में जा रहा है. ठीक है. सो एयर यू कैन टेक इट एयर एज अ मीडियम 1 एंड वाटर यू विल टेक एज अ मीडियम 2. सो that case refractive index is 1.33. Now your question: what will be the refractive index for light going from water to एयर. सो जब एयर से वाटर में जा रहा है दैट टाइम इट इज 1.33. सो व्हेन इट गोज फ्रॉम वाटर टू एयर देन व्हाट विल बी द रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स. सो जस्ट अभी मैंने बताया रेसिप्रोकल होगा. सो यू कैन से एयर and W means rays goes from air to water. That is that time refractive index is 1.33, which already given in the question. And in question ask the answer question ki what will be the refractive index when it goes from air to water. So just I have written here water and A. यानी जब water से air में जाएगा तो क्या होगा. तो अभी बताया इट बिकम्स रेसिप्रोकल. सो W and A इक्वल टू 1 upon A and W and 1 point. So 1 upon and A and W is what is 1.33. So 1 upon 1.33 you will get the answer 0.75. Okay, so it is enough to understood the concept. Still you have a doubt, so I will give a lots of question to solve. You do the practice, then it becomes more clear. Okay, now we will come to the next topic, refraction of light by spherical lenses. Reflection of light we study about the mirror, but here refraction we study about the lens. The working of a lens is based on the refraction of light rays when they passes through it. Okay, a lens is a piece of क्या होता है lens? A lens is a piece of transparent glass bound by two spherical surface. Okay, lens क्या है? Transparent glass का दो spherical surface से bounded है. And there are two type of lens, concave lens and convex lens. Now what is the difference between concave and convex? Just देखो. This is a convex lens and here this is a concave lens. First we study convex lens. It is thicker at the center than at the edge. यहाँ पे देखो middle में it is thicker और यहाँ पे थोड़ा thinner है. But opposite concave lens, it is thinner at the center than at the edge. Convex lens it has a real focus. इसका focus क्या होता है? Real होता है. और concave lens it has a virtual focus. So this point is very important. You have to learn concave, virtual and convex, real focus. So children, please watch my video very carefully because whenever I will take an online class, I will ask the question and that time I don't want to listen ki ma'am I don't know. Convex lens, real focus and concave lens, virtual focus, right? Okay. Now the convex lens, third point, it converges a parallel beam of light on refraction through it. देखो यहाँ पे हो रहा है. और concave lens it diverges a parallel beam of light on refraction through it. ये light को diverge कर देती है जब जो light है which falls on the mirror, sorry on the lens, then it becomes diverge. देखो look here, it diverges and this converge होती है. Now the next point, optical center and principal axis of lens. The center point of a lens is known as its optical center. लेंस के जो मिडिल पार्ट्स होते हैं वो उसका ऑप्टिकल सेंटर होगा. जैसे यहाँ पे देखो इस लेंस में, इस लेंस का ये क्या है? दिस इज द मिडिल पॉइंट है. तो दिस पॉइंट इज नोन एज अ ऑप्टिकल सेंटर. And same in concave or convex, both having the optical center. The principal axis of a lens is a line passing through the optical center of the lens and perpendicular to both the faces of the lens. तो principal axis क्या होता है? Just see the diagram. वो देखो, ये principal axis है. The rays which passing through the optical center, जो optical center से होके जा रही है, because this ray is not going optical, so these rays are parallel to principal axis and this is the principal axis because these ray passing through the optical center. Convex lens has real focus, it is known as a converging lens. ठीक है. ये देखो, the principal focus of a convex lens is a point on its principal axis to which light rays parallel to the principal axis converge after passing through the lens. यहाँ पे देखो जो rays है which passes through the lens which is parallel to the principal axis, all rays are converge here. It has a real focus. ठीक है, that's why this lens is also known as a converging lens. अभी principal focus and focal length of a concave length. देखो, a concave lens diverges a parallel beam of light rays. The principal focus of a concave lens is a point on its principal axis from which light rays originally parallel to the axis appear to diverge after passing through the concave lens. And a concave lens has a virtual focus. So I hope everything is very clear. You don't have a doubt. Still you have a doubt, you can call me after 5 o'clock. I will solve your problem. Okay, now thank you, and please watch my video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.